Name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
Alarm.
Alarm.
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Pass or play?
Play.
You did it. You went up there, Tanisha, you smiled, you kept your focus, and you did it. Alicia.
Yes.
Name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
I'm gonna say a kettle.
Y'all think a kettle is a household appliance? Yes. Okay. A kettle.
Good answer.
That's not an appliance. Name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
Microwave.
The very loud microwave.
Woo! Good answer.
Suli, no strikes. Name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
I'm gonna say a vacuum cleaner, Steve.
Now that, a vacuum cleaner. Aisha, we got no strikes. We're blowing through these right here. A household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
I'm gonna say television, Steve.
A TV is not a household appliance. It's a TV. If TV is up here, I'm going home. Damn that. No, really, I'm gonna just go on to the house. No, it better not be up here. I'm telling you right now, damn it, if you all are calling a TV a household appliance, I'm going to America right now. Television.
Good answer.
Now that would have been just wrong. It's very loud, especially when I'm watching a game. My wife gets mad at me. Steve, why is the TV so loud? 'Cause it's a game. Why you talk so much? Girl, Tanisha, you make my day, baby. Because you have gone from this gentle, now she smiles all the time. I told you, she done warmed up. You know, at first, Tanisha, you were so bad, you were nervous. It was everything. Look at you now. You one of the best players on the team. Now, come on, prove it. Name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
A blender.
Doggone it.
Good answer.
You better play this game, girl. That's a household appliance. It makes noise. Not a microwave, but a blender. One strike. Alicia, name a household appliance that makes a lot of noise.
I'm gonna say a fridge.
It should be very quiet, though.
It just depends, I guess.
Like if it's broke?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's broke.
Yeah.
Refrigerator.